Hello everyone. We are a team of 3 members studying in final year, Gopte College of Commerce from Belgavi, Karnataka, India. As our project is Back to School, providing health awareness and happy start for new academic year for poor rural children. Our team. Because of COVID-19, all the school across India has closed. The rural school students studying in government schools are not aware of waterborne diseases and safety measures of COVID-19 crisis. The children could not attend school for 4 months, where the school is the only place they enjoy with their friends. So they are in a stressful situation. Also, they have not got any education in a right way of how to maintain the safety and social distancing when they start going to school and start playing with their friends and keep safety from waterborne diseases. Here are some ways to prevent waterborne diseases. Our main objective is to send the children back to school in a happy frame of mind by motivating them with a few sessions and awareness and safety measures about COVID-19 and waterborne diseases for the poor children studying in remote village schools. Age group of children 7 to 14, schools covered 17 and old age home 3, covering 2000 students. Activities we are planned for. The schools are expected to reopen in July or August. We have connected with all the schools and will take permission from the head teacher to provide time for 2 hours for session, 1 hour for motivational session and small games to motivate the students, and 1 hour for a session on wash program providing them safety instructions. Providing a safety kit for every student containing mask, sanitizer and water bottle and demo on how to use. Provide them a pencil set and crayons which will put the children in a happy frame of mind. Using crayons will tell some instructions regarding waterborne diseases and tell them to show their parents and make them follow. All the activities will be completed in September-October timeline. Our total budget of this project, total students, total cost 2,46,400, and for elders, total cost is 40,000. Grand total is 2,86,400. Reports and tracking, permission letter from head teacher and details of the total numbers of students, permission letter from orphanage for details of total number of students, original bill of item purchased, photographs of all the events with dates and a small one-page report. Outcome and impact. 2000 children get back to school in a happy mind. 2000 poor children provided with COVID disease awareness and safety kit, and 250 old age home members. As a student volunteer, our responsibility is to give back to community which is achieved through this project.